You now comfortably move into the explanation of your product benefits. It's time to start selling. Because the section is all about selling the benefits of your product and what's in it for the client. And in order for your client to see the value in your product or service, you communicate by using benefits. You paint mental pictures and you explain what's in it for the client. You will give the client a feature, a benefit, and tell him what he can do with that benefit and what's in it for him by using a prepared example. Let's have a look at what we mean. You could say, for example, "Now, Mr. Jones, what the premium hospital cashback plan will do for you, your wife, and your 2 children is assure you that you will receive a daily cash benefit for each and every day that you spend in hospital. The benefit amount that you choose is paid directly to you, and you may spend this money, Mr. Jones, exactly as you wish. For example, you could use this money to cover costs not covered by your medical aid, pay for unforeseen expenses, or even to take a break to recover." Do you see how that works? Feature, benefit, with an example. Now, once you have given the client a relevant example or given the client the benefit of your product, you now want to test to see how the client is feeling about your product or service. In order to do this, you use what we call a reflexive or leading question that leads your client into agreeing with you. For example, after you have said even to take a break to recover, you would simply add, "And that's great to know, isn't it?" You must now carefully listen to his answer. If the client agrees with you, this is what we call a buying signal. What is a buying signal, you say? The answer is very simple. It is any form of agreement that you will receive from your client. Anything that he might say to let you know he is interested in your product or service. The next question in the process should be, if the client is agreeing with us and showing buying signals, what should we do? The answer is you move to early closing and your first scripted close. Now, before we get to closing, let's say the response to our reflexive question is weak, and the client may say something like, "I'm listening," or "Carry on." What do we do then? We continue, of course, with more benefits to assist us to further sell the product to the client. We go through the features and benefits of the additional product benefits, and once covered, using features, benefits, and examples again, we then move smoothly and naturally to the first scripted close.